This might be the most important moment for Bitcoin before the year ends. Yesterday, the market was absolutely shaking. Today, Bitcoin is trying to get back on its feet. But the real story, the one that truly matters, is happening behind the price chart. And most people are completely missing it. Make sure you stay until the end, because one of these signals we're about to break down could decide exactly how Bitcoin closes out 2025. Let's start with the big one. Bitcoin versus the $90,000 psychological wall. Just yesterday, Bitcoin took a hard drop, touching that scary $85,000 area. For a lot of investors, seeing that level flash on their screens was a moment of pure panic. Now, here's why this price point is so critical. $90,000 isn't just a number on a chart. It's a psychological battlefield. It's a line in the sand. If Bitcoin manages to close the year above 90,000, it changes everything. Profit taking could accelerate as people rush to lock in what's left of their gains. Right now, the market is completely undecided. It's hanging in the balance. And that's exactly why our next signal is so crucial. While many retail investors are feeling nervous, maybe even selling at a loss, Bitcoin whales are doing the exact opposite. And they're not being quiet about it. Second, these large players usually make their moves asterisk before asterisk the price action happens. In simple terms, the whales are betting that this recent drop is just temporary noise. They are literally buying the fear from everyone else. Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at 59.3%. That's high. Very high. So, what does this tell us? When the market feels unsafe and uncertain, money flees from the riskier that capital then moves into what investors perceive as the safest asset in the crypto space. Bitcoin, in essence, risk appetite evaporates. Bitcoin is acting like a crypto safe haven right now. This has a few major implications. It shows that investors are prioritizing survival and capital preservation over chasing high-risk gains. And it confirms that big money is playing defense, not offense. Here's the uncomfortable truth that not many people are talking about. Some miners are selling. And infrastructure into AI-related businesses, which are generating huge demand right now. This dynamic creates a constant, nagging sell pressure on the market, especially as we approach the end of the year when companies need to balance their books. On one side, you have the whales, the smart money, who are buying aggressively and accumulating with conviction. This tension is exactly why the price action feels so heavy and sluggish right now. It's a battle between massive buying power and forced selling pressure. You have widespread fear dominating the sentiment, which is often a contrarian signal. You have a strong Bitcoin dominance, showing that capital is consolidating, and you have temporary supply pressure from miners that will eventually run out. Markets make their most explosive moves when these conditions align. When fear is at its peak, when smart money is quietly making its move, and when everyone else is on the sidelines, waiting for a clear signal. If you found this breakdown helpful, and it gave you a clearer picture of what's happening, don't look away from the market just yet.